Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Notes and choosing the note you'll turn into PDF. Make sure images and sketches are placed where you want them. Rearrange text blocks if needed. Once you've confirmed the content, tap the share icon at the top or bottom of the note to reveal export options. This first action sends the note into the iOS share workflow and prepares it for conversion. Make sure to act now so the rest of the process flows smoothly. Next, choose Print from the share sheet. You're not printing, you're accessing the preview. When the printer options appear, use a two-finger pinch-out gesture on the page preview to expand it into a PDF document. Once it becomes a PDF, swipe through each page to review orientation and content. Tap the markup or rotate tools if you need edits. This step transforms the note into an editable PDF and lets you verify every page. Finally, tap the share icon in the PDF view to save or share your file. You can save to Files, send via mail, or add to iCloud Drive. Choose a folder, rename the file if needed, then tap Save. Once done, confirm the PDF opens from its destination. If the export or save fails, force close notes or restart your iPhone and retry. Make sure to check available storage and permissions for files because those are common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.